How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery without them knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to save Snapchat photos to your gallery without them knowing. So let's begin. Before we proceed, I would like you to know that this method is not 100% accurate. So what I would like you to do is to try it out for yourself, and then you proceed with trying it out with your friends, for example. So, um, please do make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. So if your Snapchat app is not up to date, then make sure to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. And then go to Snapchat and then go to your chat section and then make sure to save the picture first to your chat. So open the snap or picture and then save it to your chat first. And then you may go back and reload the chats that you have. And then now what I would like you to do is to turn off your Wi-Fi or put your phone into airplane mode. So click on that airplane mode button and make sure that your Wi-Fi has been turned off and then go to that saved photo and then you may take a screenshot of it. And then do not turn on the Wi-Fi first. So you may either log out your Snapchat account or you may also restart your phone. So you may either go to your profile right here on the upper left corner, click on the settings button, scroll down to the bottom and click on logout and click on logout right here. Or you may also exit the app and then restart your phone like this one. So again, this is not 100% accurate, so you should try it out first with your second account, for example, and then that's it. That's how you can save Snapchat photos to your gallery without them knowing. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.